Hi, I'm William Tourette, the creator behind Proxywars, and today I want to share with you something I've been working on for over 5 years. It all started with a need building tournament terrain, fast. Back then, resin was too fragile and most terrain was expensive, time consuming, or too complicated to print in bulk. So I created a system designed for FDM, flat, stackable, clean. No glue, no supports, just print and play. Later, I explored hybrid systems that could mix PLA and resin. It worked, but it lost a bit of what made the original system so efficient. That's why I came back to the core idea. And after years of refinement, testing, and printing, I'm finally ready to share the best version yet for FDM printers. Introducing Easy to Build Modern Civilian Buildings, a complete modular terrain system designed exclusively for PLA printing. It's 100% support-free, glue-free, optimized for bulk printing. Perfect for clubs, tournament tables, and players who want a reliable, good-looking setup without the hassle. You get 4 fully printable buildings right away, each with 3 levels, clearly organized, ready to use, no guesswork. And for those who want more freedom, you also get full access to the easy-to-build V3 system, 126 base structures, over 1,000 reversible wall options, and the ability to mix, match, and build almost anything. Want to go further? The full civilian biome is also available during the campaign, including PLA and resin-compatible buildings, WTC buildings, bases, props, containers, and a full WYSIWYG download system. Whether you're building a new battlefield or expanding your tabletop world, this system is built to last and built to grow. Thanks for supporting Proxywars. Everything here is made by me from start to finish, and I can't wait to see what you'll build with it.